What is a value ladder? A value ladder is a system of products and services that provides different levels of value at different price points. It allows businesses to start with a low-cost product and then move up the ladder to more expensive products or services. This helps to increase sales and customer loyalty by providing different levels of value with different price points. Why do you need a value ladder in your business? A value ladder is an effective way to increase sales and customer loyalty. It allows you to provide value to your customers at different price points and make money. It allows you to help relationships with your customers as they can move up the ladder to purchase more expensive products or services. This helps to build trust and loyalty with your customers. Additionally, a value ladder can help you to increase your customer base by offering products and services at different price points. So in conclusion, a value ladder is a great way to increase your sales and customer loyalty. It allows you to provide value to your customers at different price points and make more money. It also helps to build relationships with your customers and increase your customer base. If you are looking to increase your sales and customer loyalty, implementing a value ladder is a great way to do so.